Hi, welcome to Richard Gabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to change keyboard's pattern on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X, from your home screen first, go to Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down and click the General. Then in the General, scroll down and click the Keyboard. Then after that, in the Keyboards, select again the Keyboards. Then after that, in the Keyboards, click the English US or the keyboard that you are usually using. Then after that, in this part, you can change or select the type of keyboards that you want. For example, for QWERTY or AZERTY, QWERTZ, and Dvorak. If you want to change it to AZERTY, just click it until there's a check mark on the side. Or QWERTZ, until there's also a check mark on the side, or the Dvorak. Just like that. And if you want to change it back to QWERTY, just click again until there's also a check mark on the side. And that's it. We have successfully changed keyboard pattern on iPhone X. If you have a question, can comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.